My fucking hand.
I'm standing here with Martin and what was your name again?
Special Wigglesmith.
Special Wigglesmith. And it seems that there's been a giant ice storm, and this is Austin, Texas, with snow. What do you gentlemen think this?
Temperatures are abnormally lower than usual. If you look closely at my hand, there's wet liquid substance dripping quite frequently, more than usual.
Dripping frequently, unusual.
More than usual.
More than usual.
Unusual.
It is unusual.
It's awful.
Mr. Martin, what did you have to say about this?
It's not as slippery as it should be. It should be more slippery. I would love to slip and slide in this slippery cold weather, but there's no slip.
Slipping and sliding, folks.
Dude, nice.
Back to you, Pat.
Man.